in the city contacts, and this is a simple API with one road called contacts. I use MongoDB. I go the controller. This is the MongoDB use, and the controller is the database. Okay, I go the file and contact root, the index tool, the git node that include node models and env file, the package, yes, and the package user file, okay, and the server tool, control, okay, and I create a mini page with the links to each one of the files. For example, so I put this link. You want to open? Yes, gmail.com. Yes, you can see the hello world. Okay, disconnected is click here. You can see all the contact area with the birthday, a color, favorite color, name, etc. And if I click on the specific contact, you can see the specific contact here. So every phone is working. And if I click here, you can see that git root. Okay, so you can see everything here. Okay, and as you can see, there is no env file here or not here because they're not included. Okay, maybe I can go see that in Mongo. Wait a minute, upload the file. You can see the contacts file. Okay, hold on. Okay, okay. And let me see. And this is the calendar. Okay, you see the deployment. Okay, CS, CS, CSEG45 node. Okay, that is working. So this is my node, and I learned a lot while doing it, and I hope you enjoy it as I did it.